Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Dtopia's production graph shows how many donuts and coffee cups we can make. Let's see if 6 coffees and 12 donuts hit the mark. First, we need to locate the specific point for 6 cups of coffee and 12 donuts on this production possibilities curve. This point sits right on the outer boundary line. Any combination that lands exactly on the curve represents the maximum output possible with current resources. This means the economy is performing at its absolute peak without wasting any materials. Because we are on the line, the combination is productively efficient. That makes option C our final winner. You just solved it like a pro. Well done! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush and trust the given graph to find efficiency every time.